Hello, good morning students. So welcome back on my YouTube channel Math Mentor. Today I am going to start the remaining example of miscellaneous 8, that is the topic binomial distribution. In previous video lecture we completed first 10 examples of miscellaneous exercise. So let us start the example number 11 and example number 12. In this video lecture we will take more example after 12 in this video lecture. Okay, so let us see the example number 11. Read the example 11 carefully. The probability that a machine will produce all bolts in a production run within specification is 0.998. So this is the first given data that he has given. The probability that a machine will produce bolts in a production run within specification, that is the given P. A sample of 8 machines is taken at random, so n is equal to 8. So what is x here? What is discrete random variable here? X is the number of bolt produced in a production run within a specification, that is x. So calculate the probability that all 8 machines, n is equal to 8, x is equal to 8, that is the first question. 7 or 8 means probability of 7 union 8, that is probability of 7 plus probability of 8, that is the addition, that is if it is OR then addition. At most 6 machines will produce, means x is less than or equal to 6. Less than or equal to 6 means 0 to 6. That is the example number 11. So we will start the solution of example number 11. This is solution. So x, number of machine, produce bolts within specification. This is x. P be the probability that a machine produce bolts within specification. So P is equal to, given that is 0.998, this is P. P is equal to 0.998. So obviously Q is equal to 1 minus P, 1 minus 0.998. So difference is 0.002. This is the value of Q. Okay, a sample of 8 machines, so n is equal to 8. A sample of 8 machines is taken at random, so n is equal to 8. Now x follows binomial distribution with 2 parameters. This is x follows. X is a discrete random variable which follows B. B stands for binomial distribution. This is the 2 parameters, n and P. N is the number of trials and P is the probability of success. Here success is what? Machine produce the bolt within some specification. So x follows B, n is what? 8 and P is what? 0.998. Then the probability mass function of x is, probability x is equal to x ncx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. N is 8cx 0.998 raised to x into 0.002 raised to 8 minus x. X takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 8. Total number of 8. So this is the probability x is equal to x. So this writing pattern of solution is absolutely same for every example, but content is different, data is different. So let us see what is the first question. We have to find the number 1. We have to find the probability of X all 8 machines. All 8 machines will produce all bolts in a production within some specification. So here this is a production. P is equal to X is equal to 8. 8C8 0.998 raised to 8, 0.002 raised to 0. So this is 1 into 0.998 raised to 8. This is 1. So answer of first is this 0.998 raised to 8. Example number 2. In example number 2, 7 or 8 machines. Probability of X is equal to 7 or 8 machines. So therefore we have to find probability of X is equal to 7 plus probability of X is equal to 8. In probability, always remember that if there is a or, means we have to take an plus sign. If there is a and, then we have to take an multiplication sign, product. So this is equal to 8C7 0.998 raised to 7 0.002 raised to 1. 8 minus 7 is 1 plus 8C8 0.99 raised to 8 0.002 raised to 0. ये तो पहले हमें फाइंड किया है. 8C7 is 8C1. 8C1 is 8. आपको तो पता है 8C7 क्या होता है. 8C1 होता है. Why? Because 8 minus 7 is 1. 8C1 8 होता है. 8 into 0.998 raised to 7 0.002 प्लस इसकी वैल्यू है 0.998 raised to 8. So now calculation is 7 taken common. 0.998 raised to 7 which is taken common. In bracket 8 to the 16 0.016 plus 0.998 because we are already taken 0.998 raised to 7 common. So here becomes 0.998. अब इसको एडिशन now this is equal to 0.998 raised to 7. So 9 plus 6 14, 9 plus 1 10 11, 9 plus 1 10 1. So this is the answer of example number 2. Now in example number 3rd, at most 6 machines will produce all bolts. So in example number 3rd, we have to find probability X is equal to at most 6 machines will produce all bolts. At most 6 means we have to find probability X is less than or equal to 6. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 6 बोल्ट ही प्रोड्यूस करेंगी मशीन. 6 मशीन ही प्रोड्यूस करेंगी बोल्ट्स. So we have to find probability X is less than or equal to 6. So less than or equal to 6 कितना है? 6 5 4 3 2 1 0 इतना है. So it is better to find 1 minus probability X is greater than 6. So greater than 6 कितना है? Probability X is equal to 7 plus probability X is equal to 8. So ये अभी already हमने find किया है. This is the value of X is equal to 7 plus X is equal to 8. So we write here 0. So this is answer 1 minus 0.998 raised to 7 into 1.014. ये उसका आंसर आ गया. बिकॉज ये सब हमने ऑलरेडी फाइंड किया है 7 + 8. x इज ग्रेटर देन 6. x इज ग्रेटर देन 6 क्या है? 7 and 8 तो है. x इज इक्वल टू 7 + x इज इक्वल टू 8. ये तो हमने अभी फाइंड किया था. ये रखो यहाँ पर 1 माइनस दिस. सो दिस इज द ऑल क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 11. सो हर एग्जाम्पल सेम टाइप का है, सिर्फ कंटेंट डिफरेंट है, मटेरियल डिफरेंट है, वैल्यूज ऑफ n, वैल्यूज ऑफ p, वैल्यूज ऑफ q एंड वैल्यूज ऑफ x आर डिफरेंट, बट द प्रोसीजर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एवरी एग्जाम्पल इज एब्सोल्युटली सेम. सो वेरी सिंपल. नाउ लेट अस सी द एग्जाम्पल नंबर 12. ये होगा एग्जाम्पल नंबर 11. सो रीड इट केयरफुली, राइट इट एंड सॉल्व इट, एंड खुद होके ट्राई करो. डेफिनेटली आपको ये सब एग्जाम्पल इसके सॉल्व करने को आएंगे. सो आप एग्जाम्पल नंबर 12 देखेंगे. सो पहले एग्जाम्पल नंबर 12 क्या करना है? रीड करना है. द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट मशीन डेवलप्स. अभी ये भी एग्जाम्पल मशीन है, वहां पर मशीन प्रोड्यूस करता था, यहाँ पर मशीन डेवलप करता है. अ फॉल्ट विद इन फर्स्ट 3 years ऑफ यूज. दैट मशीन डेवलप्स अ फॉल्ट within the first 3 years of use is 0.003. Means what is probability? Probability that a machine develops a fault within the first 3 years of use. So this is the value of P. If 40 machines are selected, this is the value of N. So N is equal to 40. At random, calculate the probability that 30 or more will develop any faults within first 3 years. 30 or more, 38 or more. So 38 or more क्या है? 38, 39 and 40. Okay. अभी यहाँ पर प्रोड्यूस की जगह पर मैं क्या लिखूंगा? डेवलप. प्रोड्यूस की जगह पर डेवलप. P is equal to what? 0.003. 0.003. N. Value of n is different here. So this is just filling the blanks. Question is different. So let us see the example number 12. So first of all, write x. X is a discrete random variable. So number of machines develops a fault within the first 3 years of use. Within first 3 years of use, a machine develops a fault. बाकी सब लिखो विथिन फर्स्ट 3 years ऑफ यूज. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी 0.003. व्हाट इज क्यू? 0.003. अगर P है सो इट बिकम्स 7990. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ Q. 40 machines are selected, so n is equal to what? 40. Value of n is 40. P 0.003. बाकी 40 C x 0.003 raised to x. Q is 0.997 raised to n minus x. 40 minus x. So the x takes the value 0 to 40. Okay, so this is the first pattern of the solution. Now we have to write the question. We have to find the probability. Probability x is equal to 38 or more. 38 or more will develop any fault. So therefore 38 or more, x is equal to 38, x is equal to 39 plus probability x is equal to what? 40. 38 or more, 38, 39, 40. So now this is 40C38, 0.003 raised to 38, 0.997 raised to 2, 48 minus 38 2, plus 40C39, 0.003 raised to 39, 0.00997 raised to 1, plus 40C40, 0.003 raised to 0, no 40, 0.997 raised to 40 minus 40, 0. अब यहाँ पर थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेकिंग दिस 38, 0.003 raised to 38, 0.003 raised to 38, 0.003 raised to 38, and ये 1 ये 2 है ये 0 है, कॉमन तो कोई भी नहीं ले सकता. सो सिर्फ इतना ही कॉमन है, 0.003 raised to 38 taking common. So this is our first priority, to taking some term as a common, because that becomes very simplest to calculate. So 40C8, 40C38, 40C38 is 40C2 into 0.997 square, plus 40C1, 0.003 into 0.997 plus 40C40, 40C0, 0.003 square, this is 1. now मैं थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई करके देता हूँ, बाकी सब आप कैलकुलेशन करो. इन ब्रैकेट 40C2 that becomes what, 40 into 39, 1 into 2. C1 is 40, 0.997 plus 40C0 is 1 into 0.003 square. Okay, this is 20. 0.003 raised to 38. 39 to the, it is what, 78. 78 into 4 3s are 12. 0.12, a plus sign. .12 into 0.997 प्लस, अब इसका स्क्वायर 9, 3 का स्क्वायर 9, 0.000009. अब यहाँ से आगे आप ट्राई करिए, सब सॉल्व करो, इतना पॉसिबल है सॉल्व करना. वो नंबर इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना, इसको ऐसे रहने दो. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो यहाँ पर कैलकुलेशन कितना बाकी है, इसका स्क्वायर करो, उससे इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, 12 इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन हुआ है. 3 का स्क्वायर इज 9, ये 3 और 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it is 1 into, this is 1 into, so this is the answer. Okay, so this is the solution of example number 12. So both are examples on machines. In first example, machine produce all bolts in a production run within a specification, and in second example that machine develops a fault within the first 3 years of use. So okay, so this is the 11 and 12th example is completed. We'll take the example 13 and more examples. Okay, so copy it and try it. Now let us see the next example, example number 13. In example number 13, read it carefully. A computer installation has 10 terminals. That 10 terminals are independently work. The probability that any one terminal will require attention during a week. So which is a probability given, that is P, that is a 0.1. So how much terminals are there? 10 terminals are there. So X is a number of terminals which will require attention during a week is 0.1. Find the probability that X is equal to 0, X is equal to 1, X is equal to 2 and X is equal to 3 or more. Terminal will require attention during the next week. So simple question, example number 13. So in example number 13, X, number of terminals in a computer will require attention during a week. So P is the probability that the terminal require attention during a week, and that probability is given 0.1. So we write this is in fraction form 1/10. डेसिमल फॉर्म में भी लिखेगा तो भी चलेगा. 1 minus P, that is Q. 1 minus 1/10, it's 9/10. So Q को आप 0.9 भी लिख सकते हैं. 0.9 and 0.1, दिस ऑल्सो बेटर. जिससे आपको कैलकुलेशन इजी जाता है वही आपको अपना रखना है. 0.1 रखो नहीं तो 1/10 रखो. 0.9 Q की वैल्यू रखो नहीं तो 9/10 रखो. टू बी सेम, कैलकुलेशन वही आएगा, आंसर तो सेम ही आएगा. So such 10 terminals are given, so therefore n is equal to 10. So now X follows, n is equal to 10. X follows binomial distribution with the two parameters n and P. One by 10. Then the probability mass function of X is, so probability of X is equal to X NCX into P raised to X into Q raised to n minus X. 10CX 1/10 raised to X 9/10 raised to 10 minus X. X takes the value 0, 1, 2 up to 10. So this is the probability mass function. Okay. So now first question, we have to find probability X is equal to 0. Okay. So ये सब लिखा मैंने, जो अपना एज यूजुअल पैटर्न है लिखने का वो सब मैंने लिखा. X लिखा, P फाइंड किया, P is given, Q फाइंड किया 9/10, n is equal to 10. ये जो अपना डाटा है दैट X follows B n, P, ये पूरा लिखना है. प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन डिफाइन करना है. वहां पर n की जगह पे 10 रखो. P is 1/10, Q is 9/10. X takes the values from 0 to 10. Now X is equal to 0 means this is a 10C0. 1/10⁻⁻0, 9/10⁻10⁻⁻0, 1 into 1 into 9/10, 9/10⁻10। इसको आप 0.9⁻10 लिखो, नहीं तो 9/10⁻10 लिखो टू बी सेम। दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। x इज इक्वल टू 0। इज इट क्लियर? नाउ इसके बाद हमने 1 फाइंड करना है, 2 फाइंड करना है। सो दिस इज सेकंड प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज इक्वल टू 1, 10c1, 1/10⁻1, 9/10⁻10 is 9. So 10 into 1/10 into 9/10⁻9. So this 10 and this 10 cancel, 0.9. This is the answer of second probability x is equal to 1. Now example number third, probability x is equal to 2, 10c2, 1/10⁻2, 9/10⁻10 - 2 is 8। ये स्पीड नहीं आना चाहिए, अब कैलकुलेशन पे जितनी ज़्यादा कमांड उतना एक्यूरेसी आता है। 10c2 को हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 10 into 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 into 2 into 10 square, 1/10 square, 9/10⁻8। ये देखो 5 हो गया, 9 5s are 45 into 45/100 into 0.9⁻8. It is a 0.45 into 0.9⁻8. This is the answer of x is equal to 45 को 100 से डिवाइड करो, दैट बिकम 0.45 into 0.9⁻8, 9/10 means 0.9⁻8. So this is the answer of number third, x is equal to 2. Now we have to find the fourth example, that is x is equal to probability x is equal to 3 or more. X is greater than or equal to 3. Greater than or equal to 3, 3 or more। 3 or more क्या है? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10। इतना सब फाइंड करने से बेस्ट है हम फाइंड करेंगे 1 माइनस इन ब्रैकेट प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज इक्वल टू 0 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज इक्वल टू 2। ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 3 से अच्छा है हम फाइंड करेंगे 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज इक्वल टू 0, प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज इक्वल टू 1, प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज इक्वल टू 2। सो 0 फाइंड किया हमने, 1 भी फाइंड किया और 2 भी फाइंड किया है। सो सब यहाँ पर लिखना है 1 माइनस इन ब्रैकेट 0.9⁻10, 0.9⁻9 प्लस 45, 0.45 into 0.9⁻8। अब यहां से कॉमन निकालो 0.9⁻8 जो सब में है, इन ब्रैकेट 0.9 स्क्वायर 0.9 प्लस 0.45। 9 square is 81, so it is a 1 minus 0.9⁻8, 0.81 plus 0.9 plus 0.45। अब ये कैलकुलेशन बहुत सिंपल है, 1 minus 0.9⁻8 इन ब्रैकेट 1 plus 5, यहाँ पर 90 लिख सकते हैं हम, यहाँ पर 90, 1 plus 0 plus 5 6, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 8 21, ये उसका आंसर। दिस इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी x इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 3, 3 और मोर। 3 और मोर से बेस्ट है 1 माइनस लेस देन 3, 1 माइनस लेस देन 3 0 1 2। ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 13। ये 4 क्वेश्चन है, 1 2 3 4। हर एक क्वेश्चन को 1-1 मार्क मिल सकता है, 4 मार्क्स का एग्जाम्पल बन सकता है। नहीं तो समटाइम्स ये इसमें से 0 1 2 ये 3 पूछ सकते और ये इसको कट कर सकते, 1 मार्क 1 मार्क 1 मार्क एंड दिस इज फॉर 1 मार्क, ऐसे भी हो सकता है। सो कॉम्बिनेशन डिफरेंट होगा, 3+2 भी होगा, 4+1 भी हो सकता है। Okay, so this is the solution of example number 13, 11, 12, 13. These 3 examples are taken in this video lecture. Okay, so 14, 15, 16, 17. 4 more examples are remaining still. So we will take the final video lecture on next video lecture. So this will be the next video that will take on the last 4 examples of the binomial distribution and of the last, this is second paper, mathematics second paper. Okay, so today is sufficient. We will take more 14, 15, 16, 17 of miscellaneous exercise in the next video lecture. Okay, so thank you very much.